Hi, this is Darren from Patient Notes. Just wanted to show you how to use Patient Notes in a class situation. I've just listed here a class and I've called it the 9:30 a.m. Pilates class. I've got a prompt that I've chosen from the prompt library for classes, and I've set that up so that it delineates between lists attendees, it lists activities each person does during the class. What I do there is I've just got to make sure that when I'm running it, that I have a microphone that just really captures my voice. And what I want to do is I want to list the participants' details, their name, and really sort of link those in. If I'm changing activity, I just want to add their person's name in here. So for example, here I'm just saying, Simon, what I want you to do, let's get you started on the exercise bike. And I'd like you to sit on 120 RPMs for 5 minutes. Matt, could you go on to the reformer? And I'd like you to do double leg extensions, do 2 lots of 20. And then after that, I'd like you to do single leg. I want you to start with the left and do 15. And I want you to do 10 on the right leg. Make sure at no time does your pain go above a 4 out of 10. Darren, can I get you onto the floor? And I'd like you to do plank holds on right side. And I want that to be for 30 seconds. Make sure you really engage your tummy. Simon, now that you've done the bike, can I get you to go onto the balance board? And I just want you to spend 30 seconds on that. And you can reference things such as their symptoms. So, Simon, it was great that you did a 2 hour 45 marathon. Darren, how's that low back pain? And what it'll do, it'll still break up your chit chat and make sure that it references the person's name that you're talking about with what you've sort of identified. And then, as per normal, finish recording and you can add information. Here's one that I just put together, and I can't remember the participant details. What you'll actually find is it here. I use Lisa, Darren, and Simon, and it just went through the attendee list. It's gone through all of the individual notes here. You can have different naming rights for it. So here I was showing that the reformer was RF, left, right, and so on. Similarly, we can break those all up into the prompt area, but you can see it's great with listing the exercise, the description, any notes about that. And then what you do is you sort of copy and paste those sections through. So to add those in, what I'd recommend you do is go to the prompt library, look up and just check out class, just type in their class, and it'll come up with something like exercise class. If there's any information you want to change, if you wanted to use the prompt builder to then put that into different format as you'd like. So hopefully you find this useful and reach out to the team if you need any help.